guys, it's Megs here, otherwise known as the Themegscahill, and today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair. So, if you guys didn't know, I now have K-tip extensions, which are these little keratin bonds in my hair. So, they're just like normal hair. Like, I feel like this is all my hair, to be 100% honest. I don't like how a lot of people style my hair. I don't like certain ways people curl hair and stuff like that. So, I want to show you guys how I style my hair personally. So, like my signature little style of styling these K-tips and how I do my hair. And how I style my hair, because I like my hair to have like wave and body, but I don't like it to be super curled. I like it to be more piecey and messy. So, I'm going to show you guys how I do that. But let me tell you guys, all you guys need a brush. This one has hair in it, but this is my brush. I use the Wet Brush Pro. It is a dual bristle brush, which is the brush I recommend for extensions because I can brush straight through my hair and I'm not ripping my hair out or anything like that. So I can go straight to the root for these extensions. So you'll need a brush for sure. I always have clips when I do my hair because I need to clip my hair up section by section because I got a lot of hair here now. I'm going to be using a straightener. This is just an Eva straightener. I'm not sure like what kind of like specific Eva straightener this is, but it's my little Galaxy Eva straightener that I won at, where was I? Gen Beauty like years ago. And then you're going to need my favorite spray ever that I think every single person that wants volume in their hair should have in their life, whether your hair is thin or thick. And that is the Redken Windblown 05 spray. This is absolutely amazing. It's my favorite freaking spray ever. Like, I'm obsessed. It gives you just the right texture. It's a textured dry finish spray. It's amazing. It doesn't leave your hair tacky. You can still brush through your hair all through that. The first thing I always do with my hair is section off the bottom. So I just section off like the bottom half of my hair. I like to do my hair in sections because I want it to be piecey and messy. I don't want it to be too like, what's it called? Like too uniform? Is that the right word? Like, I don't want them to all look the same. I want them to look piecey. And I can't find my big clip right now, so I'm using two little clips, so don't judge me. Do we like this lighting? I kind of like this lighting. Okay, so then I part my hair in two. I'm going to sit up a little bit. So it's going to cut the top of my head off, but I want you guys to see the bottom of my hair. So when I do this bottom section, I always brush out my hair 100% before I touch it with an iron or anything like that. I don't want to take the chance of like straightening a freaking tangle into my hair or something like that. So I always make sure to brush the section out. So normally when I do the bottom half of my hair, I section the bottom half, split it on the sides, and then I section this into two usually. I just do two sections on the bottom. So normally I take the back section first, and I'm gonna curl / straightener wave my hair. Okay, so my camera just randomly shut off. Hopefully that got everything. But so I brush through the section this into. Got a baby little hair back there. And then I'm going to take my straightener. This might be hard to kind of show you guys. I'm going to clamp it down. I'm going to start straightening a little bit of it, and then I'm going to flip it outwards. So I'm flipping it outwards, and as I'm going down my hair, I'm turning it. And I'm going to pull down. So it makes this wave, and I leave the whole end out. I do not touch the ends. I want the ends to be piecey. So that's like the perfect wave with the end out. I wish I was a little bit taller. Well, but yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys how we're doing this. I clamp my hand down, I grab the bottom, and I start twisting. And I pull and twist about twice down. So let's do this front section right here. I'm going to clamp, pull down a little to straighten the root, and flip back. And pull down one spin, now two spin. And I'm pulling down on purpose so it's not too bouncy. And sometimes a piece will come out, like as you can see while I was curling, like this little guy came out, so he's not as curled. Clamp, twist out, spin it once, spin it again, don't touch the end of it. So sometimes some will come out more curly like that, especially that was a little piece, and some will be more wavy. So I like them to be a little bit different, and if you want the end curled a little bit more, just clamp, turn out, and pull straight down, and then let go. So now it has a little bit more curl, but the end is still out. So we're going to do this side. So if you guys see, when I'm twisting the hair, I'm still pulling the straightener down. I'm not like spinning and keeping it here. I'm pulling down as I spin to smooth it out and make it more like a wave. So again, clamp, spin out, pull down, spin one more time, pull down, all those ends, leaving them out. So that's all I do. And for example, if it doesn't turn out the way you want it, this side of my hair I have a harder time with. I like honestly really have a hard time with this side, so sometimes I have to re-curl them because my wrist doesn't move the same on this side as the other side. Someone is texting me, I'm so sorry. So spin twice, leaving the ends out. So sometimes this piece in particular won't really go, so I have to like twist it to make the hair go that way, and I let it dry in that twist. Not dry, but like cool down, if that makes sense, because my hair's not wet. We're not drying it. So again, clamp close to my ear, straighten a tad, flip outward, pull, flip outward again. Sometimes the straightener will get stuck. So clamp, flip outward, pull, flip outward, pull, and then the ends sometimes just snap out. So a lot of it too, like honestly, like I'm not perfect at this. Like sometimes it takes me a minute. So don't worry if you're like getting awkward pieces and stuff like that. Like that still happens to me all the time. As you can see, I messed up right there, but like the curl, you just pick off where you left off. And if there's a piece that you feel like you want to fix, just grab that little guy, clamp, twist one. Don't clamp the straightener too hard either, because if you do, it'll pull and get stuck like that. So, and then there, now that one's more wavy. So I'll just do that. Like, don't be afraid to like touch up like random pieces. Like, it's not like you should do one thing and be like, oh, it's perfect. Like, this hairstyle is supposed to be messy, and I like that I'm able to like go back in and touch it up. So I'm gonna, I don't know why I just brushed that out, but I'm gonna let these cool in like a ringlet-ish kind of thing. Obviously this is no ringlet, but so I let them set like this. So like I let them be stuck in their spot, so that way they dry together. So now that I don't need as much, I'm gonna take this clip and I'm gonna clip these guys together on my back, so that way they're not interfering with the new hair I'm gonna pull down. So now I'm gonna unclip this top guy. So I always do 3 sections of my hair. So that was the first. And then I section the middle hair, and I try to make sure I still grab some K-tips to section into the top as well, because I want to make sure I'm blending them all. So pulling this down and pulling that third section up like so, making sure I do have K-tips in there as well. K-tip life. And then I'm just gonna brush my hair through and look like a crazy person. Bun this up and clip it. Okay, so now that's clipped, I'm gonna again brush through all my hair. I wanna make sure I have no tangles, because trying to pull a straightener through your hair with tangles is gonna be so hard. And I make sure that I get all the hair in the back too. Either split it in the middle, pull that back piece to one side, whatever you gotta do. And I normally start from the back and work my way forward. Same with the bottom. So I'm just gonna grab a piece, clamp. This time I'm twisting in, because that's the way my hand goes easiest this way. And I'm gonna twist again and pull down. And then I twist the hair to make sure that it waved, because sometimes your hair will pull like a weird way once you let it go. So if you just give it a little twist, it'll pull it all back where it's supposed to be. So if I clamp from the back like this, above my head, I twist back, pull down, twist back, pull down, leave the ends out, twist it. And like I said, you might have some pieces that you want to fix. So if that happens, I just twist it in the middle, grab it in the middle, twist out, pull down. Boom. I'm gonna fix this guy too right here. Grab it in the middle, twist out, pull down. Boom. Boom, boom. And then the front section I like to section in 2, even if they're a little bit thinner, just to make sure that I get these little guys curled. So twist out, pull down, twist out. Again, mess up like always. Start from the middle, twist out, and pull down. I could edit this and make it look like every piece is perfect, but I'm not going to do that, because who does that? You know, like in the real world, we all mess up. Sometimes I'll just do one twist in the front and pull it down. See how cute? I just make sure that these little guys get love too. Cool. So that's this whole side now. So as you can see, waves, more straight, not really like volume, it's more like sleek. And this little guy needs retouching. So I'm gonna grab him, twist and pull. And if it's too curly, just run it through once and it's back to a wave. And we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so now that we have all of our little twists and waves, still don't like this little guy. He's not participating. So let's make him participate. Thank you. There we go. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to take that bottom clip out so I can see all the hair and do a bottom hair check. So I think these all look pretty good. They're all pretty waved. And as you guys can see, the bottoms are straight. Okay, let's do the top of our hair. Now we're gonna do the top of our hair. I'm gonna take this clip out and I'm gonna clip this stuff back with those two clips. Okay, top piece down. Here we go. So again, brush through everything. Want to make sure everything is smooth. So for the back, sometimes I can't really like tell. So I'm just gonna start in the middle of my head. I'm gonna make all this piece right here one piece. Going to brush this through. When I do the back piece, I straighten up and twist to the left. And then twist again until it's all done. And then I grab, twist out, pull. So then I grab over, twist out, and pull, twist, pull, all the way down to make sure that's waved. And I always try to make sure I grab all the way to the top because I want this part curled too. Flip back. So I always flip this hair back. No matter what, my top pieces go back on both sides of my face. Like that. And I just section with my thumb up. Random sections and pieces. And then as I get to the front, flip out, twist down. And then for this guy, I'm gonna flip him back and just twist once. So now that side's all done. Let's do this side. From here, we're gonna pull all the rest of our hair forward. So this is what it should look like. And I'm gonna just like play with my bangs for a second so they set how I want them to. And now my hair is this PC wave. So what I like to do next is take my fingers, go through all the hair, piece it up, and this is why we waited, because we wanted to let it set in the original curls. And then I take my brush and I just brush through like randomly, just random brush. And then I take the spray, which is everything, literally everything. I grab my hair and pull up, and I spray upward. So I spray up. Look at the difference. So beautiful. Grab, spray, up. And then I just fix my bangs. Kind of like foof it, like that. And then that's it. And that's it for this video. So that's how I get my hair, and then throughout the day, as I feel like it gets a little like flatter, I just flip it and scrunch it, like fluff it up, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy hair tutorials. I want to do more hair tutorials for you guys, especially with me having long hair now, like all the time. I've been trying out different hairstyles, so I'm kind of obsessed with these K-tips, and I always wear my hair like this. This is how I curl my hair all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on, because YouTube's trying to screw us over, and we're not. You guys are going to see my videos. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, babes.
Your little brother never tells you, but he loves you so. You said your mother only smiled on